Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A21. Now this phone is different to reset. First, make sure you have a power source connected to the phone. Once you see it's connected, select the power button and the volume down. Continue holding both buttons. Once the phone restarts, it will flash. Continue holding. And once you see the Samsung Galaxy sign, release all buttons. Now as you see, the phone is powered off. Now you select volume up and the power button. Now you do need that step because if the phone has a password, you need to power off the phone for you to do this step, because if the phone is not powered off, you won't be able to do this step. So that's why you need a charger and you need to turn off the phone, and that's how you turn it off without powering it off, because it would require you to put the password. So now the factory reset. You press the volume up and power button, continue holding. Once the phone turns on, you release the power button, continue holding the volume up. Now this is like any other Samsung or Androids. Wipe data, factory reset, factory data reset. Reboot system now. And once the phone comes on, you will see it being completely wiped clean. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.